Is your Ford key fob not working? The most common issue is a dead battery. Ford key fobs typically use a CR2032 battery that lasts 2 to 5 years. To replace the battery, gently pry open the fob using a coin or small screwdriver, being careful not to force it. If battery replacement doesn't solve the problem, try resyncing the fob. This reprograms the fob to the vehicle's body control module. If battery replacement and resyncing don't resolve the key fob issues, the problem may involve the vehicle's receiver module or body control module, also known as the BCM. A BCM reset can often fix these deeper issues. For older Ford models, simply disconnect the car battery for 15 to 30 minutes to reset the system. For newer models from 2018 onward, you'll need an OBD2 diagnostic tool like ForScan software to perform an advanced reset or reprogramming of the BCM. Be aware that improper handling of BCM resets could void your vehicle warranty, according to Ford guidelines. Always proceed carefully. Many newer Ford vehicles now feature phone as a key technology using Bluetooth, which reduces reliance on physical key fobs. Ford also offers over-the-air updates through the Ford Pass app, allowing remote BCM resets without visiting a dealership.